I just wanted to explain today's tasks to you a little bit better in case you need a bit more support. So I'm going to start by looking at Tuesday's tasks on our shared document, okay? The first one we're going to look at is English. So today we're looking at friction, and there are two videos for you to watch. You've got this shorter video here, and then you've got Bill Nye the Science Guy right here. Heads up, this one's about 20 minutes long, but it's really fun if you like Bill Nye. Then there's a game for you to play here called Fish Force. Now, between these two activities, you should have a good idea about what friction is, how it can be helpful or useful in life, and how sometimes it can be not so useful. Once you're finished, then you're going to go ahead and do this reading comprehension. And it looks like this. So what I want you to do is I want you to take a look around your house, or maybe your community if you go for a walk, and I want you to take a look at what is high friction but is useful, like the brakes on your bicycle, what is low friction but useful, what is high friction but not so useful, and what is low friction and also not so useful. This will let me know that you have understood what friction is, how it works, and how it can help us or hurt us. That's it for English. Now let's take a look at math. In math, today we're looking at decimals. We're going to look at comparing them, ordering them, and rounding them to the next whole number. So right here, the first thing you might want to do is Mathantics has a nice video about rounding numbers. I like Mathantics because it's short, it's very easy to understand, and you can watch it over and over if you need to. There's also 3 games in your Active Learn account. Take a look at the names. Hailstone Hullabaloo, Fuel Pump Flood, and Termite Tumble. These are going to let you practice with decimals. And when you're ready, I want you to go ahead and work on workbook page 55. If you have your textbook at home, you can do this in your math textbook. If you do not, then I've got the page here for you. You can write right on the page, or you can print it out and write on the page. Up to you, okay? Now you'll notice that there's no task in IPC today, but if you have not finished your blow football pitch, today would be a very good day to work on that. Your last task for today is for music. So what Miss Jill is asking you to do is, check this out, be very creative and make your own stave. Do you want to make a treble or a bass clef stave? Now you're going to make that out of any materials you have at home, rulers or strings or cutlery, anything you have. Now she's told you, remember, everything has to be evenly spaced and have straight lines. Okay? If you want an extension, then you can add notes to your project. All right, guys, that's it for today. If you need any help, I'm here all day long, and I'm super happy to help you. So just send me an email, and I'll help you out, okay? Have a really nice day. I miss you terribly, and I can't wait to see you again. Bye!